Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the MacBook Pro off and unplugging everything. This prevents live shorts. Once done, wait about 30 seconds so residual charge bleeds off. You'll put on an ESD strap and place the laptop on a grounded, clean surface. Next, remove the 6P5 pentalobe screws from the lower case and lift the panel gently with a suction or nylon pry. Don't force it. Make sure you keep screws sorted by length, because reassembly depends on exact positions. You'll expose the logic board and find the battery connector near the trackpad. This is the critical disconnect point. First, remove any bracket using Torx T5 screws, then use a plastic spudger to pry the connector straight up. Avoid rocking or metal tools that could short pads. Once isolated, remove the Torx screws securing the battery cells. Pull each cell up slowly, easing adhesive with isopropyl alcohol or a gentle heated pad if needed. Because tearing the cells or flex cables will cause major problems. You position the replacement battery in the same orientation, press each cell into place and tighten the mounting screws to the specified snugness. Don't over-torque. Then reconnect the battery cable firmly and reattach any bracket you removed. Before sealing, power on to verify the Mac boots and shows the new battery in system report. Once confirmed, reinstall the lower case and tighten P5 screws evenly. If the machine won't power, recheck the connector. Ensure no stray screws shorted the board and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.